Let's start off by creating the folders that we're going to need. I'll create an app folder. That's pretty standard. So app will hold our Whitewater Adventures application, which will use our other modules we'll be creating in this course. And I'll also create a folder called external modules. I'll just call it ext-modules. Now these modules won't be external to the test app that we're creating, but they'll be external to any other project we use the modules in. So within external modules, let's create more folders for each module. We have our PS menu module. We have PS dashboard for the widgetized dashboard. And we have PS framework. So later on in the course, when we build our gulp or grunt tasks, each one of these is going to be bundled up into its own package and then included into our Whitewater rafting app. And for now, let's just start creating these actual module files. I'll add a JavaScript file and we'll call it app module. Now, a lot of module files would just be called either app or app.module. But because we're creating this app mainly to test these external modules, I'll just call it app module, which is the naming convention I'll use for the other external modules as well. And no matter what your style guide says that you're using, you could always change it, but this should leave no doubt what this file is about. It's the module for the main application. And we'll go ahead and create that. And the application will depend upon the PS framework. So here's our application module. We'll create modules for, let's go to framework next. We'll call it PS framework module. And PS framework is going to depend upon the other two, PS menu and PS dashboard. Let's create the menu module. And there are no dependencies for our menu. And we just need to make sure we pass the empty array, otherwise it'll act as a getter to get that module which doesn't exist. And we'll create our PS dashboard module. And like the PS menu, there are no dependencies, and we need to specify an empty array. So we have all our module files, and let's just add those to index.html. I'll make some space, and we'll take in the menu file, the dashboard, the framework, and finally the app. So we're going to be building our PS menu in the next two modules of this course. And later on in the course, after we build the menu, we'll be building up our PS dashboard. But I just wanted to get the basic structure and modules in place. So for the rest of this course's module, we'll be building up our PS framework module.